السلام عليكم. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم. In this lesson we are going to learn أنواع الكلمة, types of word. In Arabic there are three types of word which are known as following: اسم noun, فعل verb, حرف particle. The first type of word is noun. That includes all nouns and pronouns. Nouns like animals, objects, proper names of people and places. Some examples of nouns are كتاب, book, سيارة, car, شجرة, tree, Mecca, a city, Misr, Egypt, Ahmed, and Aisha are proper nouns. Pronouns like personal pronouns أنا, I, أنت, you for male, أنتِ, you for female, هو, he, and he, she. And for demonstrative pronouns هذا and هذه, هذا this for male and هذه this for female. And relative pronouns الذي and التي, they mean which, that, who, relative pronouns. The second type of كلمة, word, is فعل, verb, that includes all tenses, all forms of verbs. ماضي, past tense, فعل, he did. مضارع, present tense, يفعل, he is doing. أمر, command, افعل, do. نهي, prohibitive, لا تفعل, don't do. The third type of كلمة is حرف, particle, that includes prepositions, articles, and conjunctions, etc. There are two types of particles. The first one, non-causative particles. Example: a, هل, و, ف, ثم, ما, لا, نعم, يا, لو, س, سوف. Some of them are question words, some of them are conjunctions, and some of them are negative particles, and some of them are future tense particles. They do not cause any changes in the following word. They don't change the last harakah of the following word at all. The second type of particles is causative particles. They do changes. They cause changes in the following word to fatha, kasra, or sukun. Examples of them are في, إلى, من, بي, لي, إن, أن, أن, كي, لن, in, لم. If we give example in a sentence: البيت, the house. أحمد في البيت. Ahmad is in the house. في means in. It caused kasra in the following word. It changed the last harakah of the following word to kasra. The second example: الكتاب, the book. إن الكتاب مفيد. Inna means indeed, verily. الكتاب مفيد. It caused fatha in the following word. Indeed, the book is useful. إن الكتاب مفيد. Details of these lessons, types of words, will be explained in future lessons one by one, inshallah, starting from nouns in the next lesson. What are the qualities of nouns will be explained in the following lesson. But before we begin the next lesson, I would like to give some important terms to know for grammar in the future lessons. مذكر, masculine. مؤنث, feminine. مفرد, singular. مثنى, dual. جمع, plural. إعراب, case endings, whether the word ends with dhamma or fatha or kasra. Dhamma, u sound. Fatha, a sound. Kasra, e sound. رفع, Dhamma state of noun. Nasbun Fatha state of noun. Jarrun Kasra state of noun. Jazmun or Sukun that is free from any three harakah, Dhamma, Fatha or Kasra. Marfu' nominative, Dhamma case of noun. Mansubun accusative, Fatha case of noun. Majrurun genitive, Kasra case of noun. And Majzoom Jazm, Sukun case of verbs. Nouns do not take Sukun at all, only verbs take Sukun. That's all for today's lesson. See you next lesson inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ila al-liqa.